In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add widgets in QuickBooks. We'll walk through personalizing your dashboard so the information you need most is front and center. First, sign in to your QuickBooks online account and head to the main dashboard. This is the homepage you see right after logging in, often labeled Business Overview or Get Things Done. Take a second to look around. The dashboard shows a series of tiles summarizing your business health. Next, locate the control that lets you add widgets. Look toward the top right area of the dashboard for a button or link that says Add Widgets. Depending on your screen size, you might see it as a small plus icon or a text link. If your browser is zoomed in, scroll a bit to make sure it's not hidden. Click Add Widgets. When you do, a panel opens on the right side of your screen. This is the customization drawer where QuickBooks lists the available widgets you can place on your dashboard. You'll see each widget name with a short description so you know what it shows at a glance. In that right-hand panel, use the checkboxes to select the widgets you want to add. Check the box next to each item you want to appear on your dashboard. You can add as many as makes sense for your workflow. Just remember that more widgets means more to scroll through, so prioritize the ones you'll consult daily. Once you've made your selections, pause for a quick review. Make sure you've included the essentials you rely on, and uncheck anything you don't need right now. If a widget requires connected data, like bank feeds or sales info, you can set those up later. For now, just add the widget so the space is reserved on your dashboard. When you're satisfied, click Save at the bottom of the panel. QuickBooks applies your choices and closes the drawer. You'll be returned to the dashboard, now updated with the widgets you selected. If you don't immediately see the change, give the page a quick refresh. That's it. Your dashboard is customized. As your priorities shift, you can revisit Add Widgets anytime to refine your view. Keeping this page tailored to your daily tasks helps you spot trends faster and focus on what matters most. Remember, widget choices are saved per user, so teammates can personalize their own dashboards without affecting yours. Also, features can vary by region and subscription, so the exact names may differ slightly, but the flow is the same.